Alright guys, we're here today reviewing the SHARDOR Professional Counter Blender SF701. So let's take a look and see what we got in the box. Obviously, the blender itself, the big bowl, that's glass. We had a portable cup, that's made of plastic. Came with a little pour lid. There's the blade for this, and the top to the big jar. So today we're going to take a look and see how well this will crush some ice. Got a nice bowl of ice here. Let's drop it in. See what happens. Let's put our top on safety first, right? All right, we're going to do one. See how that did. It seems like it really tackled it pretty well. We got a few chunks in there still, but it did overall do pretty good. Let's put it back on there and see if we can get the rest of those chunks down.